Hi, my name is Jackie Girl Salas, and this video is for my course project in Maths 66200 data analysis. Let me just turn off my camera and start with my agenda. Pardon because I don't have an external webcam, so I'll be using my speaking tool to record my course project. Let's start. So flashed on the screen is the provided dataset and the three questions that you need to answer. So let me just quickly put this data on Excel file, Excel sheet. We will be utilizing this tool, so we don't have to manually compute for some values that we needed, like the p value, the significant f value, and so on. So I think this is the data that we needed. We will be needing this also, but not right now. This data will stay here. So for the first question, is there a significant relationship between insomnia and job performance of the respondent? So what I want to do is to focus on each question one at a time, so I can avoid confusion. So what we're going to do is utilize this tool. So the needed data is need to compute for the relation between insomnia and job performance, and to do that we will be using regression since, according here, regression is a statistical technique that relates dependent variable, and this is used to analyze the relationship between variables. So this is perfect to answer question number 1. So here in Excel, we're going to do a regression analysis by using an add-in function here in Excel. So since we do not have to put this um based on sex, so we can still use this as it is. So what I'm going to do is fix this a little so we can avoid confusing Microsoft Excel. Maybe I'll just go on this. So performance, I think this is better if it is on just one column since we don't have to group it yet. So get rid of this. Okay, so now that we have it in one column, we can do the regression analysis. Okay, so to do that, let's look for the regression. Here it is. And we've got the data. So we need these two, set quality and job performance, since we're looking for the relationship. If there is a significant relationship between these two data. So then we make sure that we input all the data. So D31, yes. C31. Okay. So that's it. And we have this. So let me paste it here. Okay. So in a minute, let's just I want to see all of it. And I think these values are decimals are too long. So let's do that and do that. Start one by one. Oh, I think that's enough. So I think that's enough. And this one else. Okay. So since we have this output, our key value to determine the relationship is this one, significance f. So the value of significance f is 0.37. I think 0.37, but I didn't expect that value to be that high because I'm looking for just 0.05 above or below. So but since 0.37 is higher than 0.05, it means that statistically there is no significant relationship between insomnia and job performance in these data sets. So I think that answers that answers question number 1. So we will proceed on question number 2. But before we do that, before I forget, um, in terms of when it comes with hypothesis, for me, it most of the time null hypothesis is the negative hypothesis one, meaning when there's no significance or there's no relationship between the data, that's where our null hypothesis comes. And for the alternative hypothesis, is, for me, most of the time, this is the positive one. So when there is a significance or when there is a relationship between the data that we're comparing or computing for relationship. So in this presentation, you will rarely see me putting this into words because for me it's just instilled in my mind. So I'll just explain it briefly. So let's go ahead for question number for the second question. So let me reiterate our answer. In question number 1, there is no significance relationship um, between the sleeping quality and the job performance. Okay, so for the next question, is there a significant difference in the level of sleep quality when they are grouped according to sex? So what we need to do is compare the data of sleep quality but grouped into sex. So what I'm going to do now is get all the female since we are grouping them according to sex. So there are 118 female, and for male, let me just copy this one. Okay, and then let's input the males. Male. Okay. Representing Ruby, and then remove the ring. Yes. Removing this. Okay, so there we have it. Our data grouped into according to sex. So what we need is to conduct a t-test because we are comparing these variables data. Let me check again. A level of difference in the level of sleep quality. So yeah, we will be doing t-test. So let me conduct the test since it is not equal. So two samples assuming unequal variances. So for the first one, we will have our female sleep quality. And let's input this into variable range. It's okay. And let's just put it here so we don't have to copy paste it. So here we go. Here we have the result comparing the sleep quality of female and male. So the average sleep quality score of female is higher than male. So this average of female is 20.6, while the male average quality is 14.91. So we can see that there's a difference. I think there is a difference, but not statistically confirmed yet. So when we group according to sex, based on this result, our p-value is less than the typical significance level of 0.05. This indicates that there is a significance difference in the level of sleep quality when grouped according to sex based on this t-test analysis. To explain that a little further, we use the t-test. Excuse me. We use the t-test because we're comparing the average sleep quality scores of the females and males. And found out that statistically there is a significant difference in the level of sleep quality when grouped according to sex, as we can see from this result that females have a significantly higher average sleep quality score, which is 20.61, compared to our males average sleep quality score that is 14.91. I think that answers question number 2. So let's proceed on our last question. So first, let me reiterate the answer for question B. Is there a significant difference in the level of sleep quality when they are grouped according to sex? Our answer is yes, there is a significant difference in the level of sleep quality when the data is grouped according to sex. So for our last question, we will do the same thing that we did on question B, because the question is also comparing the data of job performance of females and males. So let me read the question again. Is there a significant difference in the level of job performance when they are grouped according to sex? Okay, so let's conduct the test again. Let me use this. Okay, data analysis. We'll just erase this one. So since we need the job performance of females, we'll be getting those data. So let me check 13 to 55, 55. I think it's correct. Oh, let's get theta again. Okay, let's change 14. Okay. And for our output, we will be putting our output here. So there we go. Let me just fix this a little. 27. We can see that the mean of variable 1, which is the female job performance, is less than the mean of variable 2, which is the male job performance. And also the p-values are less than 0.05. This brings us to the conclusion that there is a significant difference between the job performance of male and female when they are grouped according to sex. So that's it. Thank you for your time. Bye.